My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Audi A3. This vehicle has done just over 46,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control, automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On our screen we can access navigation, smartphone integration, radio and media. Just below we have our drive select button. From here we can switch between auto, dynamic, individual, efficiency and comfort. Next we have our dual zone climate control, and if we put our vehicle into reverse we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. As we go into the back of our vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.